Hey everyone, what's up guys? How are you guys doing today? Okay guys, so you're welcome back to my channel and you're welcome back to today's video guys. Now in today's video I'm going to be showing you a great way to remove wrinkles around your eye using some of this natural kitchen remedy and home remedy, the fruits, the vegetables and all of that. This is actually a working remedy. Okay, it helps so much to rejuvenate the skin and make the skin look polished. Okay, so I'm gonna be using banana is gonna be my first ingredient. For this particular ingredient, do not worry, we're using just 3 ingredients because we don't need too much of ingredients in this particular one. Okay, so I'm gonna be peeling off my banana. Alright, so I'm going to be mashing this. I would have as well just blend it, but let me just mash it. Okay guys, so this is actually properly mashed and blended. Okay, and this is how it is. Okay guys, so the very next ingredient, which is very important for wrinkles around the eye, is gonna be this, and this is potato. Now this is an Irish potato guys. Now potato is a great ingredient that helps so much to lighten up the skin. It contains an ingredient that helps the skin rejuvenate. Where's that pillar? Don't be keeping things outside there. Bring that pillar for me. Don't be keeping anything there. You don't know when I will need it. It makes you glow. It contains a lightening property that would actually help to remove dark under eye. That's if you're experiencing darkness around your eye. It would equally help you to remove darkness around your eye. So this is what we're going to be doing. Keep on watching. Watch this video to the end so you could actually get all of the full details. Okay, because I'm going to be showing you how I'm going to be applying this onto my eye. Okay, alright guys, so for this particular one I'm gonna go cook it, blend it, sorry, I'll wash it, cook it and blend it, and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm gonna be doing that off the camera and I'll be right back. Okay, so here is my cooked blend Irish potato, and I'm going to be putting just 2 tablespoons of the blended Irish potato into this mix, and then I'm going to mix it really good. So the very last ingredient which we're gonna be needing for this is egg, and in this particular one we're gonna be needing the egg white. Okay, now egg white is a great ingredient that tightens up the skin very much. Mixing it up with other ingredients like the potato and the banana would wow the skin. It will rejuvenate and make the skin pop out. So since I have my already cracked egg, I'm gonna be needing to take in just the white of the egg. Okay, so that's it. After that, then we'll blend it really well. We mix it and mix it very well. Okay guys, so let's go apply this at the eye area, under the eye area, to get rid of all of the wrinkles and rejuvenate and make the skin pop out really good. Guys, so here I have my ingredients, and I've actually kept it for some while. It's actually changing color at this top side, but still very perfect and still very okay. Okay, so this is a perfect ingredient that helps you remove wrinkles around your eye. Okay, so now before you do that, you would have to wet it. Okay, wet around your eye very well, like wet it with water. Literally, that is what I'm doing right now. Now after which you've wet it, then you would actually use the tip of your finger and then you apply this with the tip of your finger. Okay, so I'm actually using the mirror here, that's why I'm looking this way. So this ingredient is very friendly enough to apply onto your eye base, or because the skin at this area is usually very sensitive. Okay, so it's actually not something you apply all ingredients on those places. Okay, it's just few ingredients that are very mild. That's what you can actually apply around that place. So you extend it all out to this place, because most times wrinkles used to start around this place. You extend it all out. Okay guys, so after you applied this, then you have to hold on, like literally hold on, because this particular ingredient you don't scrub. Around your eye area is a very sensitive area on the skin and very tender, so you don't have to scrub. Okay, so you just hold on. Sorry. Oh, the book now, before she would scatter everything. So after like 2 to 3 minutes, then you can as well just leave it for like 5 minutes if you can. Okay, but if you can't, 2 to 3 minutes is perfect. All right, for this ingredient to actually help you remove the darkness around your eye, wrinkles, and also age spots. Okay, so it will help you glow a whole lot and make your skin flawless. Yeah, okay, so what you're gonna do, yeah, is that when you want to actually remove it, hold on, before that, let me tell you, yeah, if you're actually using this particular one, when you're actually using this particular remedy with this set of ingredients. You can as well store it for like 3 to 4 days, but it has to be stored in your refrigerator, okay, a working refrigerator, so that it does not go bad. And those 3 to 4 days you continually use it, and then when you're done, the 4th day you have to discard this particular one and make a new one the next week, okay, and continue using this for at least 1 month, guys, okay, so that you could see a huge transformation on your skin. Like literally it's gonna get tighter, okay, but I'm actually not gonna let this dry because I'm actually talking to you. If I was supposed to let it dry, I would have been I would have been this way, close my eyes, and so that I don't have to continually stress my eye by opening it, okay. So that's what you're gonna do when you use this particular ingredient. And when the time comes for you to want to remove it, guys, I would always advise you guys, you need a warm towel. Yeah, so this is my warm towel. You just get a warm towel and then you clean it, okay, you just clean it off. Okay, so you just clean it off, and after which you've cleaned it off, well, look at my eye, okay, like you're going to see the improvements, okay. This is actually no child's play. You're going to see the improvement like immediately on your skin. Yeah, then you go wash it off with a toilet soap and plus the warm water. So do this and get back to me and let me know how it is on your skin, because I know it's going to be really amazing. All right, guys, I'll see you again in my next video. Do not forget to thumbs up, subscribe and share, and bye.